Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This is the video about Cannizzaro reaction and its mechanism. Two molecules of aldehyde which has no alpha hydrogen atoms undergo disproportionation in the presence of a strong base to give a molecule of alcohol and a molecule of salt of an acid. This type of reaction is called as Cannizzaro reaction. Two molecules of formaldehyde when reacts with a strong base NaOH, one molecule of formaldehyde gets reduced into methanol and another molecule of formaldehyde is oxidized into formic acid, and as this reaction takes place in presence of base, that formic acid got converted into sodium formate. Benzaldehyde molecule reacts with another benzaldehyde in presence of a strong base to give benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. One of the molecule of benzaldehyde got reduced into benzyl alcohol, another molecule of benzaldehyde is oxidized into benzoic acid, and as the reaction takes place in presence of a strong base, that benzoic acid is converted into sodium benzoate. Let us see the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Let us start from formaldehyde. Aldehydes and ketones participate in nucleophilic addition reactions. This OH- acts as a nucleophile and it attacks on the carbonyl carbon atom. The pi bond between carbon and oxygen will be transferred to oxygen, leading to form this reaction intermediate. And the reaction intermediate undergo rearrangement. The negative charge and oxygen atom come back to carbon, leaving this hydrogen as hydride ion. This is very much important step in the reaction mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. You got hydride ion here. That hydride ion acts as a nucleophile now, and this nucleophile hydride ion attacks on another formaldehyde molecule. So hydride ion transfer is the rate determining step of Cannizzaro reaction, which will give you two products, formic acid and alkoxide ion. This is formic acid. Another product is alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion is a strong base. Formic acid is highly acidic, so it leaves H plus ion. Acidic formic acid releases H plus ion and basic alkoxide ion takes that H plus ion. So here now proton transfer takes place, H plus ion transfer takes place from formic acid to alkoxide ion to give salt of formic acid and methyl alcohol, methanol. Let us see what is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. When two different aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atom are reacted in presence of a strong base, they undergo disproportionation to give a molecule of alcohol and a salt of an acid. This is called crossed Cannizzaro reaction. We need different aldehydes. Alcohol obtained from less reactive aldehyde and acid salt is obtained from more reactive aldehyde. So out of these two different aldehydes, whichever is less reactive will be converted into alcohol and more reactive will be converted into the salt of carboxylic acid. For example, aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Out of these two, aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes. So when you have formaldehyde and benzaldehyde mixture reacts with strong base NaOH, as formaldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde, formaldehyde will be converted into its salt of acid, sodium salt of formic acid, and benzaldehyde, as it is less reactive, it will be converted into alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Aldehydes containing electron withdrawing groups are more reactive than those containing electron donating groups. Formaldehyde and trichloroacetaldehyde. In these two, formaldehyde is less reactive than trichloroacetaldehyde because trichloroacetaldehyde has 3 chlorine atoms bonded to alpha carbon. Chlorine atoms are electron withdrawing groups, in fact strong electron withdrawing groups. Because of these electron withdrawing groups, trichloroacetaldehyde, which is also called as chloral, is more reactive than formaldehyde, and more reactive aldehyde will be converted into salt of carboxylic acid. So you will get sodium salt of trichloroacetic acid, and less reactive aldehyde will be converted into alcohol. So formaldehyde will be converted into methyl alcohol, also called as methanol. Thank you for watching this video.